Hello friends, welcome back to Hadi's Ville. Today we are going to learn how to solve the Rubik's Cube. First of all, let's learn the basics of a 3x3 cube. So friends, it's go time. This is the very basic 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Okay, this is what 3x3 Rubik's Cube looks like. And it has 6 faces, each one in a different color. And there are 3 types of pieces in this cube. Center pieces, edge pieces and corner pieces. Center pieces are the pieces which are in the center of a color. The opposite of orange centerpiece will always be red, and the opposite of green centerpiece will always be blue, and the opposite of yellow centerpiece will always be white. Okay, I will arrange this cube so that you can understand the pieces easily. This arrangement is called checkerboard or chessboard. We are going to learn about it later. Okay, you see, this is the centerpiece of green, and the opposite of this will always be blue. In total, there are 6 centerpieces, each of a different color. They are green, blue, red, orange, yellow and white. So let's move on to the next type of piece. So they are edge pieces. They are in the edge of a face. And each edge piece has 2 colors. This, like this one, blue and white. Okay, this is blue and red, and blue and yellow, and blue and orange. And there are 12 edge pieces. And let's move on to the next piece. This type of piece is called a corner piece. It comes with 3 colors, like this one. This is blue, orange and yellow. Okay. In total, there are 8 corner pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all about pieces. Now let's move on to notations. The layer which we hold with our right hand is called the right layer. We call it R. And the left which we hold with our left hand, it's called L for left. And the top layer is called U for up. And the bottom layer is called D for down. Okay, the layer which faces us is called F for front. And the layer opposite of the front layer is called B for back. This is the back layer or B, and this is the front layer or F. If it's a plain letter like R, L and B, we should move that face clockwise. If we want to move the layer in anti-clockwise direction, we should add a dash or a prime. For example, R prime. So if we want to move the layer 2 times, we add 2 to the plain letters. For example, U2, R2. If it's 2 times, it doesn't matter if I do like this or like this. Any direction is okay. For example, this is R and this is R dash, and this is R2, and F dash, and F2. This is L, and this is L dash, and this is L2. This is U, this is U dash, and this is U2. Now it's time for a notation exercise. This will help you to understand the concept of notations and make your hands used to the turning. R, U, R dash, U dash. So if you do it 5 more times, total 6 times, the cube will return to the solved position. R, U, R dash, U dash. 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 See, it's back to the solved state. But to practice this, when you're starting, it should be in the solved position. Otherwise, it won't work. So friends, that's all about the basics, and keep practicing the notation exercise. So I'll be back with the first step of solving the Rubik's Cube. So friends, that's all for today. If you have any queries, please comment it down on the comment box. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe right now. Bye bye.